Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating obvious hardware faults. This saves time. First, examine the cable visually and flex it gently. If you see frays or a loose connector, replace it. Next, verify the charger brick's output rating, because mismatched voltage or current can prevent charging. Once done, try a different wall outlet and a known good USB-C cable, and remove any case that impedes the plug. These quick steps narrow the problem to cable, brick, outlet, or device port. Now you dig deeper to find intermittent faults. Carefully inspect the device's USB-C port with a bright light. Remove lint with a plastic toothpick. Metal can short pins. Then measure the charger's output using a USB-C power meter, or try charging another compatible device to verify 5V, 9V, or 20V delivery. Also, boot the target device into safe mode or turn it off. Software can stop charging, so this isolates firmware versus hardware issues before you proceed to repairs. To finish, replace the failed component. Swap cable first, then charger brick, and if necessary, replace the device's USB-C port. Prefer certified power delivery, PD, chargers to avoid damage. Make sure to update firmware and reset power management settings. Sometimes recalibrating the battery restores proper charging. Finally, if problems persist, document exact symptoms, no lead, intermittent charging, or heat, and consult a professional or official parts source. One tip: avoid DIY soldering unless you have steady hands and the right tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.